Oh, I was on the I was on the mute, guys. I'm sorry. I'm over here having anxiety for no reason. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just waiting for it to go. Anxiety is not a joke, guys. Sucks. It really does. It really does suck, guys. All right. Whatever, man. It is what it is. I feel like crap. Whatever. I don't care. Well, I do care, but anyways, let's see if we can break these lows. If we can come back down here, guys. If we can't, then we'll probably reach up to the 600s. And then we'll probably be up to the upside, guys. All the way up here to the 600s. I'm telling you, guys, this sucks, man. What the fuck? All right. Anyways, yep. This is no, this is MNQs. It's MNQs, guys. MNQs. Yes. Still looking at those 600s, guys, to the top. If you're looking at this, I told y'all earlier to look at this wick right here, especially this one. I said this one earlier, and it came up. So now we just want to see this one right here. 600s. I'm gonna keep adding. If we come up this zone up here, guys, I'm gonna add some more contracts up here. What about Myrna? You want some technicals on those? I think my what was it? Sorry guys, you're just gonna have to bear with me. I'm having anxiety right now for no reason. Let's see. Moderna. I would wait. I would wait for Moderna. I mean, looks like uh looks like it does want to have a pull back up, but I would just wait for a consolidation and then a breakout and then I would buy in, see where things are going. Yep, the chop was real. I'm only up 287. Yeah, for Myrna, I would wait for a consolidation and then see where you're at on the 4 hour. I say once the stochastics hits those 20s on the 4 hour, I would make a decision going longs. But yeah, that's all I see. Yeah, I got in earlier this morning in my private session, but it wasn't too much. I got in a couple here and then I got in here and then I was waiting for this. I should have gotten up here, but I was waiting for this and then I got out of here. So I waited all this time doing all this junk right here until it came down and then I called out this coming up on this area right here. And yeah, it's not much to this. There's not much going on today, guys. So thanks for the follow, Nick. Really appreciate it, man. And if y'all haven't, guys, I do have a Facebook Man of Many Trades trading community. If you want to look that up, it's a group. Um, I'm gonna start posting things up there too, and just have like a little community going on. But it's in a group, guys, so y'all can probably join on there if y'all want to. It's um, it's Man of Many Trades trading community. We are seeing these upsides, guys, like right up here. So we can probably take all these out and go to the upside. But I do see something on the downside too, 490s. And you come back for some more, man. Shit. What is it? I'm gonna buy. If it goes up there, I'm gonna buy. Oh, y'all can do it if y'all want to. If you want to risk it for the biscuit, guys, there is a right here. I think it's yeah, trading micros. You can have an entry right here, stop loss down here, or actually right there. What up, Ruth? Thanks for the live. Or thanks for the like. You're amazing. I appreciate it. Appreciate it very much so, guys. Anyways, fellas, I'm over here having anxiety, man. Like, it just happens, you know? It just happens. So I am seeing this area up here. So all this might be taken out. Probably reach up to the 600, but I'm not sure yet. So we still do have this spread between the MACD and the signal line. What we need is for the volume to get lower, and then the stochastics to be heading down, and then we need a crossover right there. Same thing with this right here. You need that crossover heading to the downside. We are losing that volume here. I know y'all can't see it very well, but we're losing this volume right here. So if we see that crossover, then we can probably have it pushed down. Elicio Pacheco. What's that, Pacheco? What's up, man? Welcome back, Malcolm. Welcome back. You don't know how to what? You're lost. You don't know how to learn this stuff. You're not lost. It just takes time. It takes time to learn this stuff, guys. It's really not. I'm not gonna say that it's hard, but it's not easy either. I mean, it's not easy either, but just watch a whole ton of YouTube videos on support resistance, supply and demand, you know, just watch a whole ton of videos and and you should be able to get it. And a lot of being on the charts. That's all, guys. Just practice, practice, practice. That's all. You don't have to do too much, guys. But we could be going up to the upside, guys. That's why I marked it up here. We do have these wicks right here, and we do have this here. Like I said, we need that crossover. In order for this to come down, we need this crossover from the MACD's, crossover the MACD and the signal. We need this 7 to crossover the 21. I've been at this for 8 months. Yes, I've watched many videos, any particular keywords I can enter. Um, I mean, yeah, you can watch a whole. This can't, like, even professionals say, guys, this stuff can't be taught. Like, I mean, you're gonna have to experience it yourself, be in the markets, and just you know, there's really no way somebody can teach you. You just have to just be in the markets and just try to do your best. Um, that's how I did it. I started out, giving money to the stock gods, and I've blown a lot of accounts, and I was just figuring out, what supply and demand is and all this stuff. And I do have a mentor that works at a firm. He gives me pointers here and there, and there is some stuff that I know about next year, man. Y'all just need to watch the video, guys. You should. It takes a lot of people. It takes like, you know, it takes maybe 3 to 4 years for a person to become profitable, but usually within a year and a half. Some people make it in 8 months, some people make it in five. I mean, it really is on how you actually, how fast you can learn the supply and demand and all this other stuff, MACDs, indicators and patterns, and watch the news guys and do all that. Um, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. I get bashed about by my mentor about watching the news and stuff like that. He gets on me with that stuff, but I do fairly well just by reading technicals. But even with the news is very important because anything can change at any moment. But just don't give up, guys. There were so many times where I wanted to break a keyboard, throw the monitor out the window. Um, you know, just risk management, guys, and try to do your best. Don't quit. No problem. I'm just here to help, guys. I'm here to help. We're all a community. We all need some kind of path to go to. I struggled a lot um, in the past with, all this trading stuff, and it's very emotional, guys. Like this stuff can break you, but just keep going and just don't let it. Just, you blow an account, oh well, just, you're gonna have to just keep on doing it until you do it, until you get it right. Yeah, I blew 20K, man. I blew 20K. I blew 20K before, so I almost lost 15K in one trade, and that was on Tesla. I was doing a call op call. I was doing calls on the Tesla. That was last year, and right at the last moment, it went up past my strike price, and I got $1,000. I would have been negative 15, but thankfully just went up. So yeah, guys, just don't quit, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, don't quit. You know, if you want to succeed in this, guys, you're gonna have to just continue. And no matter what happens, it is what it is. Just continue on working on the skill, and don't let nobody put you down either. Just like I'm on here, I get on here, and people say that whenever they get on here, I go negatives. Well, if you enter into a position, guys, and the candles are moving, yes, you're going to go in the negatives. I mean, it's rare to get into a position and already just be green. It's going to move up and down, guys. And one trade one day does not make me a bad trader. So if anybody is telling y'all, talking smack to y'all and stuff like that, guys, just ignore it. Like I have this set up to where everybody can see it. I really need to set up to adults only because I would like to say some things and not get in trouble for saying the things that I say because when people say stuff about things, I really can say some things too. So, and I don't want to hurt nobody's feelings, but sometimes you got to do it. Sometimes they need spankings, man. These guys they act like children. Anyways, guys, what I do see is if we do come back down here, there is a level right here. You can get in here and put a stop loss right below here somewhere or right here and just ride it up again. It really depends. The market is forever changing market conditions. Okay, you can enter into a trade here thinking it's going to go long, and next thing you know, it drops. It drops like crazy. And even real good traders can't even make the cut. Traders that people that work at firms, they even fail. You just make mistakes and you just keep on going, guys. It's really not that hard. I'm already up 361, guys. Um, but like I said, fellas, I do trade. I already changed my stuff now, guys. I don't get on live from 9:15 to 11 no more. Um, I do get on live, but not I don't broadcast this out. I have my own private sessions. Um, the link is in the bio if y'all want to join. It's only $12 a month, guys, but I break down everything. There are plans that, the highest plan, of course, you're going to get everything, but, um, you know, that's I had people ask me why I don't go live in the mornings anymore. I do go live, guys. It's just not on here. I do private sessions now, so. And this right here is just for marketing right now. So this so I can just show y'all what's going on here. Like I said, sorry about the blacked out area on the screen. I can't help that. I don't know how to fix that. So I see this area here and I do see this area right here. Guys, I'm on MNQ. MNQ, guys. This is futures. Or if you want to, you can do QQQ. And if you're looking at QQQ, if you're looking at the 490s, 490.88, guys, I see a level down there. That does not mean that we're going down there, but I do see you need to recognize that level, and we need to recognize the 500s to the top, which is why I marked it up here. This wick right here, and all this right here, guys. This is all I'm seeing. So the only reason why I even have this risk to reward kind of thing is because this is a level, this is a possibility. I mean, there's infinite amount of possibilities here, guys, that can happen at any moment. You can have one from here too. Let's say our entry is um, this is our entry and this is our stop. That's another possibility. Like, you can't be right 100% of the time, you know? There's endless possibilities, guys, that can happen. And we just don't know which one it's going to happen. Like, this can stop right here. This is another possibility too, guys. Like, this is another possibility right here. Look, let's say you get an entry, you have an entry like right here, guys, and this is your stop. See that? Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me scale to the right. Look at all those possibilities, guys. These are all entries right here. All entries right here. All entries. Boom, boom, and boom. And you also have possibilities to the upside. This is the reason why if people are talking smack to you, let's say you're trading, whoever in here is a trader and goes live, guys, if people are talking smack to you, don't let it get to you because any of these could be right, right? You just have to make that placement. Like up here, there's let's say I want to make an entry to the down to go. This is going up. Let's say I want to make an entry going down. Well, I do see this right here. I do see that. See this? That's going down. I also see another one right here. Um, right here, guys. I see another one right here. Endless possibilities, guys. Lots of stuff, lots of opportunities here. We just don't know which one's gonna work, guys. We don't know. There's another one. I see another one again, right here. This is all over the place, guys, but we just don't know. So don't let people discourage you or anything, all right? One trade does not make who you are. So let's say this would be an entry point right here, right? But like I said, even if you have these entry points, it does not matter, guys. It doesn't matter because news news will change this, like news will make this so like crazy to where, this can go from here. It'll look right on the MACDs and we are coming down. But then if you get a fat candle, an FU candle going up, that'll change the whole dynamics, guys. That'll change everything. So, it's yeah. See, look at this, guys. You see this? This is why I say there's endless amounts of possibilities. And this is a spot, like a potential spot. You have different kind of potentials, guys. There's on every timeline, on every time frame, there's always some kind of thing going on, right? Look, you have all this support right here, guys. I don't make this up, man. I really don't. You see this? I should have gotten out of all of them right there, but then again, we do have this big wick right here, guys, so I do see this coming back even further. But that does not mean that we are. It just means that that's a possibility. There's endless of possibilities here, guys. And even looking at this, if we look at this 60 right here, look at the time remaining on that 60. You do have 57 minutes for this candle to close. You want to see what happens with this candle. We are jumping off this 21 on the 60, guys. So if we keep going higher, we want to be able to come back and see that 7 being hit and possibly going over back into the 50s. This stuff can't be taught, guys. You're just gonna have to experience it. It can't be taught. You have to experience all this, guys. Um, but yeah, that's it for me. Um, I still have anxiety, guys. I'm still talking. This is why I'm still talking. But let's look at this 1 minute, guys, and so I can show you. So you see how we did cross over this that 7 to 21 and the 50. Now there is a sweet spot between, I think it's on the 5 minute, but anyways, a lot of times it usually likes to hang around the 7 and the 21. And the 7 and the 21, and it likes to bounce off of that. So let's say, for example, for this, it likes to bounce off the 7 and the 21, guys, to the downside if we are like that, if we are doing that. But you also got to watch the MACD and look at what's going on. Look at all this volume right here. We are coming down now. If we start seeing this come back up like right now, and it crosses over this 21, you would want to wait for a pushback, an initial pullback, and then go for a long position, guys. But it did touch this area right here, and this would be an entry. This would have been an entry right here, guys, that I would have gotten into. That's why I marked it. This stuff can't be taught, guys. You're gonna have to teach it yourself. But The only thing I can teach y'all is how I see it, how I interpret these technicals or whatever the EMAs, the ranges, the zones, the fair value gaps, the patterns, the trend lines, whatever it is that you're using, guys. I'm already up 431. This stuff is easy, guys. It really is. You just have to experience it. It's not hard. It's a lot of resistance up here. We got one bounce. We got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Now, if it is going to push up, it'll take out all this all the way to the top. This is the reason why I have, see that? This is the reason why I have this up here, because this is another potential. This right here is another area of interest, guys. This is, like I said, it's what happened right here when I marked it. So this is another area. That's on the 1 hour. So yeah, guys, I'm just here. What in the sell-off? When is the sell-off? Or what? What in this what? I don't know. I have no idea. There might not be one. I don't know. I'm not a guru. I'll take out some more down here, guys. If we come back down here, I will take out some more. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and put a buy stop, buy stop limit order here. I'll just take out one. Actually, you know what? It'll be around right here, guys. You want to get it to bounce off like the sevens or the 21s, guys. Whenever it's pulling down and it crossed over all EMAs and stuff, and then you have the 50 above the 7 and the 21, you want to see like a bounce off the 7 or between the 7 and the 21. It usually likes to bounce off of those on the 5 minute. So now I believe for this to sell off, guys, we have to have that 7 and that 21 right below this 50. So so watch this wick here, guys, and also watch the ones above here. This is the 1 hour, so watch these up here and watch this candle up here. You see how we're bouncing off this 21? If we close below this 50, then we can move all the way down. So there's another potential right here, guys. Watch these top side, guys. Watch the top side. And what's going on, man? It's going good. It's going good. Just a little anxiety here and there, you know. My brain is just very I overthink everything way too much to the point I can't control my own mind. Like it's just I have too much stuff going on. Pretty sure I got ADD, guys. Here it is. I'm at 385. I'm at 385, fellas. So watch that top side, guys. Watch this top side up here. Looks like we might be this is MNQ, brother. So watch this top side, guys. Looks like we might be taking this out and then watch these 600s. So we had I put this down. We hit this area here, came right back up. Um, Usually a lot of times when it does do this, guys, you took one loss and break even. I got you. Hey man, Monday's another day, you know. Just don't take too big of a hit. Just make them tight. Um, yeah, guys, like I had this drawn out here, came back down. A lot of times when you see these wicks like that and there's enough pressure, like these wicks get filled back again. But like I said, I do see all this right here that needs to be taken out to the upside. And then this one as well. So we still have this spread here. It hasn't even changed. We have 45 minutes for this candle to close right here. So I think it has a little room to climb up and then possibly come back down. There's going to be, if I were to get back in, guys, I would enter right here. Um, Actually, it would be right around here. I would enter right there. I would make it tight, guys, and then this would be my that would be my stop losses up here. Or, I mean, there's multiple things that you can do. You can enter around right here and put a stop loss right here. But I feel like we still have room to go up, guys, so who knows? This also could be another position too. This could be an entry right here, stop loss right here. So let's say you could enter, you can enter there. You could enter right there. And if it blows through here, guys, then this wouldn't be valid. So this is not valid, guys. I don't use Bookmap. I did use it before, but I may have used it incorrectly. But I've heard, good stuff about it, and I heard bad stuff. I mean, I'm not gonna pay. Well, I don't even know how much it is. What is it, $99 or something? Maybe, maybe less. I don't remember, but um, I mean, it's resourceful, so I heard that, it helped a lot of people. Have you used Bookmap, or do you currently use it? Do you have it? All right, so we are creating another. We have liquidity here, here. We have to look at higher time frames to see what's going on. Looking at that top side, guys, these wicks need to be taken out first. Oh, what up, man? I'll make it seem fun. It's all right. I mean, this is the only thing I do is MNQs, NQs, you know. Um, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, guys. I want to see what happens right here. One time it has worked for you. Jeez. The one time thing, man. I don't know. Some people actually are successful with it, you know. I've heard good things and bad things about it. I mean, you know, it is what it is, guys. It's just a tool. So I've never used it. I've seen people use it, sort of, but not really. Now, what I really want to use is there was something called I think ladders or something like that, where you can see the volume of these orders and numbers, you know. I would actually want to learn how to do that. That right there seems more, you know, um, resourceful. Oh, and actually, wait a minute. I can't say that. Sorry. I can't say anything further about that just 'cause. Um, but yeah, that's what I want to do is ladders or the candles. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Where you have the ladders that and it shows numbers on both sides, the actual, I guess, how many are being traded at that price or at that segment. See if we can reach up all the way up here. It might bounce off this 7 again and keep coming up, guys, but I do see this top side being taken out possibly. And maybe this 600. I don't know. Or it can just drop from here, guys. There's so many different things that can happen. So, um, I'm not a guru, guys. I'm not always right, you know, so. Hmm. Sorry, 223. There is nothing going on, guys, today. There is absolutely nothing. It's been like this the entire day. Look, we're just still in the same range right here. Yeah. And see, the only thing I've used so far, realistically, is just the MACD and the stochastics and the EMAs. And I just look at what's going on with the candles on all time frames. And then I look at the EMAs on all time frames, and I look at the stochastics, and I also look at Weeble or Fidelity and see what's going on with the Qs and just stuff like that. Looking at Nvidia, y'all need to pay close attention to Nvidia for next year, guys. Pay close attention to Nvidia for next year, guys. Especially look at the weekly. If I'm not going to say more than that because um, just because there's reasons. Just pay attention to the chip industry very closely, guys. Something is major. So and that's all I got to say about that. Yeah, it is. And that's why I'll be looking at those technicals first before like I even do these. I like the I like actually, you know what? I like using the 4 hour on Weeble. And whenever you change your settings for your indicators, guys, whenever you change those settings, I mean, it just makes everything a whole lot different. I like the 4 hours, guys, on the 4 hour on Weeble. All right, guys, so pay attention to this top side right here. Pay attention to this top side. Pay attention to what I have here. We might come up here, retest, break through, retest it. I don't know, whatever it does, just pay attention to it because that's what I'm seeing. So, um, do like I said, I changed my settings on the MACD and the stochastics. I don't use PPO, PMO. Um, I will say something, but I'm just gonna say it once. I think what is it called? I'm just gonna say that they use it a lot, and that would be the. Give me 1 second. Let me see which one it is. They use it a lot, and that's all I'm gonna say is they. Um, Give me 1 second. Let me just look for it right quick. I forgot the name of it. The Elliott wave, guys. The Elliott wave. There we go. Elliott wave. Elliott wave, guys. What is it? That, like I said, that's all I'm going to say is they use it a lot. So that's all I have to say about that. I've never seen it before because the NinjaTrader, I try to look it up for NinjaTrader and they don't even have it, so I don't know. I've never seen it before. So I guess MetaTrader 4 has it. Is it MetaTrader? MT4 has it, and see there. This is another. Yeah, try to see if they have it on there. I don't know. I can't find it on NinjaTrader, and I tried to because I know that's I was I was told to look it up, to use it, but I can't. So, um, oh yeah, yes. So we do have another section right here, guys. Entry would be here, um, and this would be there. That's another spot right there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check it out. But we do have this other section here, guys, too, that we can come down on. Jonathan, thanks for the follow. Much appreciated, guys. I appreciate all the follows, fellas. I really do. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, guys, if y'all do want to join the group, I do have a Man of Many Trades trading community group on Facebook. You are more than welcome to come and join. I will put some stuff in there later on. Um, and let's talk futures, guys. Let's talk let's have a community, see what people are, want to talk about. And just go from there. Thoughts on NIVF? I never heard of that. I don't know nothing about that. Um, you know what? I am going to write it down though. I'll ask my mentor and see what he says. See what he says about it. He does work at the firm, so I'm going to if see what he knows about it. And then Monday I'll let y'all know, see what's going on with that in IVF. I don't know, guys. All I do is just read technicals. All that stuff about thoughts on this and thoughts on that on these companies, guys. That's my buddy does that. My mentor does that. So that's his profession. So he works at a firm, so he knows all about that. I don't know nothing about that. All right, actually, you know what? I can text him right now. Let me see what he says. NIVF. All right. He'll probably call me later on, guys, but he's still at the office right now. Thanks for the follow, guys. Thanks for the follows. Um, like I said, guys, just look for these wicks up here to the top side and see what happens from there, guys. There's really not much going on. 234 already. Oh, guys, and if y'all haven't already, go follow Crocker Capital LLC on TikTok. He's a good friend of mine. He gives information out of this, of what's going on every single day. So go check him out, Crocker Capital LLC. Jeez. All right, guys, so there's really nothing going on here. I'm about to go ahead and just stop the stream for today. I will be back Monday. I'm not going to be, like I said earlier today at the beginning of the stream, I am not going to be, I don't stream early in the mornings anymore, usually from 9:15 till about 11 o'clock. That would be private sessions. I do have a link in the bio if you do want to trade with me. Cost is only for the basic plan is only $12, just watching me live, just trading. The early set in the morning when volatility is very high. And yeah, guys, if y'all want to come join me, y'all can. If not, then it is what it is, guys. But I will be on Monday if y'all do join, and there is a link to my bio, so just click on it. It'll just take you to my page. Um, just let me know. I will be making a page for a Hispanic community as well, so that way they can have the opportunity as well to learn this stuff. But all right, fellas, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it a lot, guys. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't already, come join me on my Facebook group page. It is Man of Many Trades, all in one word, Man of Many Trades Trading Community, guys. It's a group. I will be putting stuff out possibly later on today. And yeah. But all right, fellas, I'll catch y'all Monday.